It's me, Dana Dane, coming to you guys with another video. And in this video, I am showing you guys basically my catch-all room. It's my makeup room, my guest bedroom, where I store my gym equipment for grab and go. And then I also do some of my videos in this room. So that's why you see the lighting equipment here. So on this wall here, I just added this sconce holder with these candles. And then I have this vase. And then I store all of my scarves on this little cutie here. And then I flanked this picture here that I picked up with these sconces. And if you guys would like to know where I picked up any of these items, just let me know. This video is not being sponsored, so I will not name my sources in the video, but I will definitely let you guys know. And I picked up this little cute chair that goes with the decor colors. This shelving that houses all of my lotions and potions. And then I just flanked it with these two inexpensive lamps. Where I house all of my earrings, necklaces, watches. And then down here, my devotional prayer rocks and my earrings. Then I installed these black curtains. Some accessories here, wall accessories. And I know it's not Easter, but I love that gold bunny, so I kept it there. And then I put this twin bed here. Again, the room is not really large, so I picked a twin bed and just decorated it like a day bed. So when my guests are over, I can just switch it out really quick. And then my dressing mirror. And these little cute mirrors that I picked up. And then I added a black rug. So I hope you guys like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And you guys have a great day.